Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thriftfish. I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and today is a day I've been waiting for about a month now. I ordered a B&G Trading Liquidation box. It was their popular retailers premier, so retail at $60 plus 25 piece returns box, if I didn't already say returns, but it's the returns box. Got it last night. I had thought about doing an unboxing, like a full unboxing where I waited to open it until I was ready to film this video, but I could not wait. I've been waiting for this box for about a month. So I dove in and I'm going to give you a haul of what I got, and I will start with the things that were not my favorite, and we'll go to the things that I like. Overall, I like this box. I think that this was a good experience. I have seen other unboxings and hauls that have not been as great, so it kind of depends on what they've got at the time. We're going to go ahead and take a look through here. I got this box, I think I paid $194, so I was able to get a 20% discount on the box, but then with shipping it came out to $194 something and change. So I think the cost of goods was somewhere a little over $7, which I was comfortable with, thinking that anything in this box should retail at $60 or above. I don't think any of these pieces are new with tags, but they all look new without tags. I haven't found any flaws yet, but I only very quickly went through the box last night, so we may find some as we go through. So let's go ahead and get started. I just got my little card that shows how many pieces are in it and who packed the box, and the little sticker invoice here. So first is the most curious piece. I have no idea what this is. So it's a dress. Well, I know it's a dress. It's a floral dress. It's pretty. And it comes up at the top and has a tie in the back. However, I can't find any tag in this whole thing. There's no material tag, no care tag, no brand tag, no size tag. So I don't know what this is. The first couple things I'm going to show you are most likely getting sent to ThredUp, because I'm hoping that I can still at least make my money back on those. But it's not so much of the box that I was worried about it. So just a dress that I know nothing about. Probably going to ThredUp. Next in the list of things that I will be sending to ThredUp is this London Times dress. They're just a couple of like older style brands that I'm not super interested in. This is a nice dress though, so I will be sending it to ThredUp. So here it is. It's kind of sparkly, has a little bit of texture to it, and then it has the high neck. So it is a pretty dress, just not typically a brand I would stock in my closet. Next is, this is similar. It is a well-made dress, and it is a size extra large. It's Nina Leonard. I've sold Lenny for Nina Leonard before, vintage, but I've never sold just Nina Leonard. But this is just a sweater dress that I will send to ThredUp. They'll have like the little tag barbs, but no retail tags. And then two sweaters by the same brand that I am unfamiliar with. I don't know anything about this Go Couture, but this is the brand of both of these sweaters. You know, it feels nice, it feels new, it's a rose pattern, it's got some detail on the back, and this is also the same brand. This is like a camo sweater, but I'm just gonna send it to ThredUp. I don't really feel like putting time into researching. That's just my what I'm admitting here right now. And then this brand I'm also, hold on, I have to see. There's two more pieces that I'll be sending into ThredUp. One is this Vertigo dress. Again, just a brand I'm not really familiar with, and this doesn't really feel like the most high quality piece. So ThredUp it goes. And then this Joseph A. Red animal print kind of zip up sweater jacket thing. So again, just not a style or a brand I would normally stock in my closet. Pretty much everything else, for the most part, I'm going to go through will be going up in my closet, in my Poshmark closet and on my eBay and Mercari stores. First, I don't pick up this brand a whole lot, but I'm not going to complain. It's Vince Camuto, and this is a very pretty, actually, like kind of gown, light blue gown with a slit in the front, off the shoulder dress. It's a size 2 petite from Vince Camuto. I'm saving this one. Here's another, I think this is another Vince Camuto piece. There it is, there's the tag. It's a size 14, so it's a good size, but it's a white blazer. Luckily, this is a decent season for this. Yeah, so it's a white blazer. It's mostly cotton. I'm trying to figure out what the material was. There's that. Oh my goodness. I forgot what was in here from last night until today. Okay, next is, this is Waif. Where are you from? Hold on, let me get the ankle. There we go. Size extra large. I don't pick up this brand a whole lot. Sometimes I do if it's at a low price at the thrift store or the bins. But it's this velvet animal print tie front maxi, like, is it a wrap dress? It's sort of like a faux wrap dress. Yeah, that's kind of awesome. I've never picked up a piece like this from Waif before, so because it's a little bit more substantial and a trendy style, hopefully it will do well. This made me so happy. Actually, I feel like I want to save some of these for the end because that's just what I want to do. My favorites I want to save for the end. This is a very pretty dress. Another kind of like off the shoulder ruffle. This one's a mini dress. And again, a brand I only pick up every once in a while, but it is a size 10 French Connection dress. I love the like lavender color, if you can see that. What's this? Oh, another French Connection piece. This is just a blouse, but the sleeves are like completely open. So you would take the sleeves and button them at the cuff, but then the rest of the sleeve is totally open. This is a size small, but just a pretty French Connection blouse. I do like French Connection. Oh man, what do I even do next? Oh, here's one. I actually do still like to pick up this brand, although I know some resellers don't have as much luck with it anymore. This is James Purse, standard James Purse. This is a size 3, so I think it's probably like a medium or large. Just a short sleeve t-shirt dress. I like putting James Purse in my closet if it's not just a basic t-shirt. Here is what I was expecting would be in this box. This is a blank NYC piece. I only expected it because they've done in the past specific blank NYC boxes, so I know they typically kind of throw in whatever they have in these. So this is like a faux suede little jacket from blank NYC, and I lost the tag, but it's a size large. Next, this is another brand that I know that they are, I think, doing certain boxes of, but this is an adorable dress. Is it a dress or a skirt? I guess it's a skirt. But it's a maxi, like, tulle heart print skirt. Oh my gosh. Just to die for. And it's Foxy Docs, size small. So Foxy Docs is a brand that they're selling. I have sold this brand a couple times. I like a lot of the pieces. I don't pick them all up, but they're definitely trendy pieces. Next up. Okay, this is another brand that didn't surprise me. This is Jack by BB Dakota, size 4. But it is like a V-neck, super cute floral jumpsuit with a cutout back. Yeah, I'm not. I definitely cool with, ooh, and it's a jumpsuit, but the legs have slits. That's so fun. See, this is the kind of, I don't pick up Jack by BB Dakota because I rarely find really cute pieces like this. So again, not mad. Here's another, this is just BB Dakota. It's also size small, but another cute sweater by them. It's got fringe detail. Love that. Yeah, I'll save that one. Here's, I may or may not send this one into ThreadUp. I actually probably will send it to ThreadUp because it might do better. This is 100% cashmere. I don't typically sell Catherine Malandrino though. And I think this is one size. Yeah, it's just like a poncho, but it's 100% cashmere sweater poncho. Really nice. So that's why I actually think I would rather send it to ThreadUp because it probably will sell better there than it will in my closet. Just because that's not a typical brand I would stock. I've heard of this brand before, but I've never picked it up. I guess it's a Nordstrom brand, but I'm not 100% sure. 1901, and it's a cute graphic sweatshirt that says cheers in gold sequins. So you can see it's kind of new without tags here. Has been returned. Here is, oh, not mad about this. This was the first thing I pulled out of the box. Size large, new tag J. Crew blazer. I love selling J. Crew blazers, especially when they're a new style, or yeah, a newer style. Here is the other piece of Foxy Docs that I got, but again, just a really, really pretty dress. I think this is size small. Just lace all the way up and down. Maxi or midi, but just again, very pretty. And hopefully in season, hopefully somebody's doing something where they'll be able to wear a dress like this. You could even wear this as a wedding dress if you have a more casual wedding. I don't know. And then I guess here are my favorite pieces that I saved. I actually don't know how this brand does. I've heard things about it, but I've never actually picked it up. It's Tibby. Oh, actually, we've got some discoloration and marks on the back, but I don't think it should be a huge issue. They're size 12, good size, and they're kind of this like trouser, I guess like tuxedo style, but it's kind of inverted. It's like an inverted tuxedo pant. So Tibby, that's a fun one. Oh, and it's got zippers at the bottom of the pants, which is cool. So let me show you what I mean. I don't know if you can see it, but the back of these just has some stuff that I can't quite figure out. But again, I don't think that's gonna stop me from selling these. It's just not. Okay, and then here are two of the same brand, but loving it, loving it. This is size 2, Ted Baker London. You know, smaller size, but a really pretty belted, like midi length career dress with like the zipper detail all the way down the back. Gorgeous. I love Ted Baker. Love. And that's why I'm so happy, because I got not one but 2 Ted Baker dresses. This is Ted Baker London, So in Love. And this is a scuba, a bright pink scuba dress. Again, zipper, not all the way down the back, but pretty far down the back. Structured dress. This is a size 4. And the last piece in my B&G Popular Retail's Premier Brands returns box of 25 items is a brand that was featured in my last video, which was a Bolo Brands video. Be on the lookout. I believe it was the last brand I mentioned that I was looking for. So I am a happy lady with a Saint Gossett dress. I didn't find it in the wild. It was sent to me, but I think that still counts for something. It's a size 4, and it's like this halter open back mini dress with this, like, I don't know, it's not a bow, but like this scrunching detail in the middle. So pretty. It's like a coral peachy color. And that is it. That is my B&G box. I'm sitting here debating ordering another one just because this was a fairly good experience. I'm excited to see what profit I can get from this box, and will be taking note of that as things sell. But let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comments, and let me know, have you ordered from B&G Trading? What was your experience? I would love to know. And thanks for tuning in, watching through the whole video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like this content and you want to see more from me, more reseller content, I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. And again, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you again real soon.